Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by reading the question and underlining command words so you know exactly what to do. This prevents off-topic writing. Once done, check limits like word count and required examples because those shape your structure. Make sure to identify the required form, letter, essay, or report, since tone and layout change. From this point, you can choose your main idea and 2 or 3 supporting points. Do this now to anchor your notice and avoid drifting later. You next make a fast plan, 1-sentence thesis, 2 or 3 body points, and a short conclusion because planning raises clarity and speed. Once planned, write topic sentences that tie back to the command words so every paragraph answers the prompt. Make sure to draft examples or evidence under each topic sentence. They act as proof. Keep an eye on time. If you spend too long here, you lose proofreading minutes, so move from plan to full draft steadily. You finish by revising in 3 focused passes. First, check content alignment with the question, then smooth language and sentence flow, and finally correct punctuation and spelling. This layered approach catches different errors efficiently. Once revised, tighten weak words and shorten long sentences to improve clarity. Make sure to confirm formatting and word count before submitting so you meet requirements. If you run out of time, prioritize fixing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.